So check this out. This is a cool kitchen hack that I did with a frozen pizza today. So it's something you could do all in the time it takes for the pizza to bake. It's adding fresh garlic and spinach to the frozen pizza, and it really elevates its nutritional value. So just a little bit of olive oil with 2 cloves of garlic. We just want to toast them until they're a little lightly golden. And this is a bag or a package of fresh organic spinach leaves, baby spinach, so I don't have to take any of the stems off. And all you got to do is keep stirring it and turning it over, and within a few minutes, boom, you have wilted garlic spinach that's going to go right on top of the baked pizza here. And you want to spread it out so that every slice gets a bite. And look at that, and even the kids ate it. Be sure to check it out and get some more vitamins and minerals with garlic spinach on top of your frozen pizza.